The title of this video is Return of the Hiccups. I just noticed that my hiccups have returned. So sometimes when you get hiccups, whenever you talk every about a minute, or there it goes again, a minute or about 30, I think it's like 40 seconds or something. I haven't typed hiccup again. Okay, I gotta see, when I hiccup, I'm gonna count how many seconds until I hiccup again. Usually most people, when they get hiccups, they get very angry. For me, I just find it hilarious. Because it rarely happens, very rarely I get hiccups, so when it does happen, it's very well caught. So I just laugh myself, so I just started hiccuping. So I said to myself, might as well just get a video record myself my reactions to my the hiccups. Imagine if you had to like make a speech and you have the hiccups. Wait, we do it one time. Might make a speech for doing the hiccups. But anyway, thanks for watching this video of the return of the hiccups.